Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you and I am Ayesha. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to download Python interpreter and install in Windows 11. So for this case we have to go the browsing and write Python. Here welcome to the python.organization near the main page in Python programming language or Python interpreter. Then downloads the latest version. Here you can see already I installed before. See, then open this, press. So here install Python package. Install now means which is not customized. And if we want to customize something like path or folder, then we can select here. If we add Python, then it will create the path Python. Press and install now by default, which what have that will install in this PC. Press and install now. Close. Now if you want to check the Python is installed or not, then we have to go to CMD mode, that means command prompt mode. If you write Python, see what we have installed, which is 3.12.1. Here is also 3.12.1. So thank you for watching this video.